Discovering the I in literature, a dive into first-person perspective. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of creative writing and literature to explore the first-person perspective. This perspective is fascinating because it allows us to truly step into a character's shoes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of first-person perspective and have seen its magic through literary examples. When a story is told from the first-person perspective, it means the narrator is a character within the story, often the protagonist. They use pronouns like I, me, my, and we. This provides a personal and intimate experience for the reader as they get a direct insight into the character's feelings, thoughts, and experiences. There are a few reasons writers might choose this perspective. 1. Immediate connection. Readers can instantly connect with the narrator because they're privy to their innermost thoughts. 2. Unreliable narrator. Writers can introduce the concept of an unreliable narrator, someone who might not be completely truthful, adding layers of complexity to the story. 3. Intimate storytelling. The story feels more personal and direct, as if the character is confiding in the reader. Now, let's dive into some well-known literary works that use the first-person perspective. To Kill a Mockingbird, by Harper Lee, narrated by Scout Finch, we see the world of Macomb, Alabama, through the eyes of a young girl as she navigates issues of racism and injustice. The Catcher in the Rye, by J.D. Salinger. Through the eyes of teenager Holden Caulfield, readers are taken on a journey through New York City as he grapples with themes of identity, alienation, and the challenges of adolescence. Moby Dick, by Herman Melville. While not entirely in first person, the famous line, "Call me Ishmael," introduces us to the narrator who recounts the obsessive quest of Captain Ahab. These are just a few examples, but they showcase the diversity and depth that first-person perspective can bring to a narrative. Now that you're familiar with this perspective, why not try it yourself? Here's a quick writing prompt to get you started. Imagine you've woken up in a completely different time period. Write a diary entry describing your surroundings, the people you meet, and how you feel. Remember, there's no right or wrong. Just express yourself and dive deep into the emotions and observations of your character. We've journeyed through the world of first-person narrative, understanding its intricacies and experiencing its power through classic literature. As you embark on your own writing adventures, remember the magic of the word, I. It's not just a pronoun, it's a window into a character's soul. Happy writing, and until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.